What's up guys, this is Desume here. In this video I will show you how to replace your window sills in the Mercedes-Benz S550, and it is also the same process used for any Mercedes Coupe that you have. You have the half window sills broken just like this one here on the top, and you use the same process to replace it because they all the same way. Alright, so now to remove the original sills that was on the window, it's a simple process. You just peel it from the top because there's no extra glue that's holding it. You just peel it and then pull it right up. It'll just come right off. Sometimes you have to apply a little pressure to pull it off, especially if it's been there for a while. So that's the only way you're gonna be able to get it out. And in the next step, so to install it, you have to spray it with, right now I use some Emerald and spray it in the back of it to make it a little bit slippery. And I also spray the bracket where it's mounted on the window in the back here. Let me show you this here, right there. So I already sprayed that part with some Emerald as well, just to make sure that it's a little bit slippery. That way once I align it properly, then I just go ahead and slide it straight down, and it should fit without any issue, because it's not going to be hard to do it at that point. So one thing I learned during this process, like, it's easy to remove it, and if you have a broken sill, obviously you're gonna hear a lot of wind noise inside of your car, and once you replace the sill, obviously you probably will not hear any wind noise whatsoever if you have the S550 Coupe. So I don't know if that is the same case for the regular S550 sedan and the other version of Mercedes, obviously, so how much of the windows is canceled. But for this one, if you don't spray the back of it with some Emerald, like something that is slippery, you are not going to be able to insert it back to the original location, because you have to be able to slide it through, because without the Emerald to make the frame a little bit slippery, you're not going to be able to slide it down. And that's the process I use to install it. So really, once you sprayed it, you just have to kind of like apply a little pressure to walk it down all the way until the top is level and flush. Thank you very much for watching this video. So I hope this made a difference and help you fix your half window sill. If you do have any questions or concerns, just go ahead and post your comment. I'll do my best to answer them for you. Also, I'll be putting a link of where I purchased this new sill, so that way you guys can buy them yourself if you have the same problem. Peace. Thank you very much guys, and if you are new to this channel, just go ahead and hit the subscribe button, as well as hit a thumbs up. Give this video a like, so that way more people can actually see it, because it helps us and it helps you, so why not do it.